Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle skirt. We'll start by gathering our essential materials. You'll need your chosen fabric, a measuring tape, and sharp scissors. Selecting a fabric that drapes beautifully, like cotton or rayon, is key for a lovely flow. Most projects will require about 2 to 3 yards of fabric, depending on your desired length and size. Next, let's take some crucial measurements. First, accurately measure your natural waist circumference. Then, decide on your desired skirt length, measuring from your waist down to where you want the hem to fall. The most important calculation is for your waist radius. Simply divide your waist measurement by 2 times pi, which is approximately 6.28. Now it's time to cut your fabric. Fold your fabric into quarters, ensuring all raw edges are neatly aligned. From the folded corner, mark your calculated waist radius. Then, from that same corner, mark the skirt length plus the waist radius. Carefully cut along both of your marked curves. This will create the perfect circular shape for your skirt. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your beautiful circle skirt. First, hem the raw bottom edge for a clean and polished look. Next, attach a comfortable waistband to the top edge of the skirt. You can then insert a zipper or elastic for a secure and easy closure. Give your finished skirt a good press for a truly professional and polished appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.